everybody, I'm Raksha. Today also we are going to get a superb topic. So that is that I'm going to review my Huawei tablet. Actually, I have bought it before 2 weeks, but I forgot to review it. But today I have done it. So please go through the video. Don't miss a video. Like don't skip the video because it's an amazing video. I hope, and please do it, guys. And in this video you will learn that you will know that how a good tablet, this is a Huawei tablet, the clarity, and in my phone, in my mobile, the clarity is little bit poor, so don't mind it and go through the video. So that's it, guys. So without wasting the time, let me go to the video. We entered into the video, guys. So first I like to show you my tablet cover. So this is a Honor tablet cover, so which I have bought it. And next I like to show my tablet Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite. So this is 10.1 inches, guys. So I'll just open it. So as you can see here, tab, so I'll just take it out. So you can see here now, guys, it's amazing to look at. And first I like to say about the tab. So this is a fingerprint tab, and this is they have given in the back side a beautiful metal look and the grey metal look. And coming to the front part, here they given a black border, so it looks amazing. And they have given the 4 speakers here too, and here too, and the front camera also, and the back camera also. It's amazing to view. And the thin, so you can see here the thin and weight, it's so lightweight as I can view here. And this is a fast processor which I'll be going, like I'll show you that when I go to YouTube also, it gives me a fast processor. When I open something, it gives me a fast processor. After coming to everything, I'll just go to my boxes. So I'll just come into the box present. So when we will come into this, I like to open that this into this. So as we view here an pin, so this is a pin to open your SIM card or your SD card. And coming to the side part, here you can see a lead and a pen. So this pen is used to write something in the pad. I hope you will know this. And in this side I can view here adapter for my charger, and this is a charger wire, so which I can go through with this. And I like to show this pen with writing with my pad. So I'll just open this. So writing, actually I have written here school library. Once again I like to write it, school library. As you can see here, a beautiful designs also you can make. You can draw in this more, especially in this you have the battery, and this weight is amazing. Here also give the grey metallic look, so it's amazing to write and everything. I can just go back. Has coming to the point, warranty. Everyone needs a warranty. So I wanted to give you the warranty card here. So this is the safety information card. How you want to use this, how you should not use this. Everything will be getting here, and I will give you the warranty card also. So this is the Huawei warranty card here. Here you go. So I hope, guys, after seeing this video, you have to buy the Huawei tablet, because this is an amazing tablet which you can go through with everything. This is a only one tablet without Samsung and other companies also. This is a very good tablet, Huawei tablet. So I like to prefer this tablet. You have to buy this. I have bought this in Flipkart. So you know Flipkart online shopping. So I have bought this for 19,000. So just you can go through with this. And so that's it, guys. Today's video. So that's it. As I hope the review has to be good. And after seeing this video, please buy this. Please buy the tablet, and please share your review with me. So thank you all. So that's it for today, guys. So after watching the video, I think so your reaction could be wow. So yeah, this video is actually by I bought this tablet before some 2 weeks, but I didn't got the idea to review it. So but this tablet, I have to say one thing, that in this tablet I'm using it roughly, because my online classes, how the class is going, you all know, I hope. I'm using it roughly like that, but also it is now also it's well, and the clarity, everything. Now also I'm shooting my video in this one. The clarity is amazing. As I told, my mobile clarity is poor. In the video you can see it, so it's a little bit poor. So don't keep in mind, as I'm saying again. So that's it, guys. So if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you want to say some suggestion, please say in the comment box. And if you feel this is helpful to someone, please share the video. And for more updates, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Guys, actually one more reason that why I did this video, because for more parents could think that what tablet, like for online classes they want to buy a tablet, means please buy this tablet, as I said in the video. So please buy this tablet, a superb tablet, buy this. So wait for my video. Till then, bye bye, take care.